Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so let's see what happens. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short here at 45. Whole lot of downwards pressure on this one. So let's see if this wants to take me out there for $125 in a matter of seconds, so I'll take it. But now what I want to do here is hop to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to put an order down there to go long at 43.75. Get this alert in the chat room. So 43.75 now my entry point. So let's see if it can work its way down to that location on the chart. And I'll let the... Yes, you do hear typing. I run a chat room, so I'm just making these alerts on what I'm seeing in the market right now, so you're not hearing anything. All right, well, Walmart is going pretty crazy, so let's actually pull up Walmart. Let's go to 125.95 to go short. Walmart just had earnings, which is why it's going pretty crazy right now. CGC also pretty nice movement. So let's go to 1551 on CGC. See if this thing wants to plunge down further. Look to try to pick up some shares. Can't short on this one, so only one choice in this situation. So there's WB. Now I'm making another move. Gonna go to 43.55. Get rid of these other orders. That's so 43.55. Let's see if it can make its way down there. It just stopped, so never mind. Let's go to 43.15. You can see, whoops, where's my marker at? There we go. Let me move this over here. But you can see, probably going to be too slow. But right there, one as low as 43.56. So literally 1 penny away from where I wanted in. But it happens. So I'll keep that order down there at 43.15. But as of right now, looking like it's bouncing up here a little bit. But still, let's see, it's 9:32. So 2 minutes in the day, I'm up 125. So off to a nice little start here. Okay, I have an order at 148.35 to go long here on Disney. Never was able to break up or get through that level. And you can see the high was at 149.94, so it just didn't quite fill me. Didn't get up as high as what I wanted. Let's see if it can break down through the 148.50 mark. There's the break. There's the fill. I'm going to throw my next order out there at 147.75 and 147.85. So let's see if this thing wants to bounce or if it wants to pull back some more. Decided to bounce to give me $75, but like I said, if this pullback wants to continue, then I will be ready at 147.85 to continue to play the pullback. All right, based on this candle here that's forming, it's looking like this thing might be at some sort of bottom, or at least attempting to form one. So I'm going to put an order up there at 11.95. Now, even if it's not quite, I still like the overall, initial entry point at 11.81. Like I said, this thing seems to be showing some strength here. So essentially, for a reference point, if the price can get up there and hit that green line, then I would be seeing green. Now again, I would be interested in potentially adding some more. But let's see if this is some sort of bottoming formation or not. I do need to get another order down there at 1135 and then 1125. Okay, there's the break. See, can it get down to 1135 or not? I'm going to go ahead and pick some up at 1151. Put some out there at 1175 and 1180. So again, now essentially the price, if it can get up there and hit that green line, then I am seeing green. Maybe I'll get a chance at, nice, got those at 1135. So let's update the green line here. So now if it can get up there and hit that green line, again, I am in the profit. Only 1,500 shares, so not a big position by any stretch of the imagination. But let's see if this thing wants to get up there and hit that green line or not. Try to pick some up at 1101. Again, if the price can hit that green line, then that is a good thing for me. So can it work its way up there? And if it can hit that green line, so the candle's trying to get up there. So got those at 65. Got those at 70. What I'm going to do here is just put in a stop loss now for my last. So it's not a matter of if I make money now, it's just how much money am I going to make, because I have no idea how high this thing could potentially bounce. So again, I'll say that again. I have no idea how much money I'm going to make, because if this thing decides to bounce up to $13, then those last 500 shares that I have right now are going to be very valuable. Or it might just roll over and take me out. So I'm going to go ahead and move that up to 69 now. And like I said, good problem to be in. I have no idea how much I'm going to make. So it took me out there. Right, I apologize. I got that too slow. Well, because this move happened very fast. But got short at 150.17. And actually, let me just stop talking here for a second. 150.95. Okay. So I got short at 150.17, and then as I'm clicking buttons trying to get the video rolling again, I accidentally did not adjust my order down to, well, now Roku's moving. So, all right, well, this is a good problem to have. Lyft is also moving now. Was there some sort of note? No. All right, let's see. So I'll throw out a couple orders at 145.85 on Roku. Yeah, so keep an eye on this part of the screen. Actually, let me change the color of that real quick. So if any of these turn green, that means I got filled, because there's a possibility that I might miss the entry point on Disney, because obviously we're watching Roku right now. But anyways, like I said, I meant to get out lower on Disney than what I did, but because I'm fumbling around trying to get the video recording, nobody's fault but my own, got out at 150.10. But yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking having to jump all over the place. A lot of stuff moving. Now it's just a matter of, can it move enough to get me filled? So Disney, well, back below 150 now. I'll still keep that order out there. And what's going on here with NTAP? Meh. No thanks. Okay, I have an order at 150.75 on Disney. But that was, I was thinking it was going to be a weak breakout, which it was, but just didn't get up size what I wanted it to. All right, I apologize. Got filled at 149.25 here on this pullback. So let's see what it wants to do here. Oh, I'm out. Okay. Let's see, 148. Well, I was looking to figure out what my next entry point wanted to be. Apparently I got taken out, so there's $75, but I need to stop talking. Let's go 148.75. So 148.75, next first entry point. There are less than an hour in. Let's see, about market's been open 50 minutes, and I'm up $536. So I'm not aware of very many other places in the world where you can make $500 in an hour in your robe. Maybe you didn't want to know all that details, but yes, in a nice comfy robe, working from home. And I don't say that to brag or anything like that. I just say it to build perspective, because I know a lot of times on social media you'll see massive, massive wins. So it's easy to fall into the trap of, wait, only $500, and I saw somebody make $50,000. It's like, oh, that's all right. Well, good for that person. I'm happy for that person. But I mean, let's keep things in perspective. Unless if your time's not worth $500 in 50 minutes, then good for you. I mean, but for me, I mean, working from home, $500, 40 or 50 minutes, I'm more than happy with that. But let's see if we can get any other trades within the next few minutes here, because I think I'll probably just call it a day after an hour. But so I apologize for not capturing that, but as you see there, that was a quick move, and I just couldn't quite get the entry point there. But regardless, you saw the exit point, which is sometimes the more exciting part. So another $75 in my pocket. Okay, making a move. Let's see if I can get filled at 148.75. Bounce. All right, well, let's go down to, what is that, 148.55 instead. So 148.55. Looks like it's got a chance. Just needs to go down a little bit lower. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 148.25 here. See if I can buy this pullback here again. Let's see if we can break through 148.50. There is the break. So now it's a question of, can it hit me at 148.25? Well, I tried. So now I'd feel better at 148.15. So 148.15 now. See if it wants to work its way down a little bit further. So I'm in there. my next order at 147. It took me out there for another $75. But if it wants to pull back some more, I'll be ready and waiting at 147.75. So yeah, this was just a few minutes later. So now I'm up, what, over $600 for less than an hour of work. I'm happy with that, but I'd be even happier if Disney wants to pull back some more. All right, well, I'm going to wrap things up here. We are now just shy of an hour into the day, so I'm satisfied. Final gains, like I said, just over $600. Real quick before I go, a final few things. If you enjoyed this video and would like for me to keep making these live trades, then the very easy way to communicate that to me is just to hit that like button and then leave a comment down below. Also, check out the channel. There's lots of other types of videos, and hopefully you decide to ultimately subscribe. If you are interested in the trading community that I talked about in the room, then or what I made a reference to in the video in terms of me typing and all of that, then you can go and join that. And really the question becomes $8.25, because if you do the $99 in 3 months, that breaks down to $8.25. So the question really becomes, do I believe the service can help me make more than $8.25 per week? Not per day, just per week. If you believe the service can help you make more than $8.25 per week, then that would be a good investment and you'll get a good return on your investment. So if you have any questions on the community or anything like that, then let me know, or you can go to just claytrader.com/team and get signed up. Again, if you enjoyed the video and you want me to keep making these, just hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for hanging out and watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.